Hello, in this tutorial, we will tell you how to make a transparent cutout from an image using the LightX cutout tool. Firstly, open the website lightxeditor.com on your device. Once done, click on Editor Tools and select the cutout tool under it. This will redirect you to a new page with all the information about the cutout tool and its features. Now, to start making your transparent image cutout, click on the Upload Image button. You can choose an image from your device, stock, or uploads. Upon a successful selection and upload, you will get redirected to the cutout tool. Here, you need to select the region you want to keep as a cutout, either by tapping or moving the cursor. The default selection option is the Smart Select. You can also use the magic brush and brush options with custom settings to select the desired area on your image. Further, use any option out of Smart Erase or Magic Erase or Erase with custom settings to clear the selection wherever it is required. Finished with all the editing. Click on the Next button. Navigate to Transform to Scale, Crop, and edit your cutout as required. Now, click on the Background button to add a background to your image cutout. Under the Primary Fill option, choose from preset colors and various other preset graphic backgrounds. You can also select an image from stock, or upload one from your device as the background. Done with adjusting and editing the image cutout, tap on the back arrow. Then, click on the Apply button to save all the edits you have just made. Once the image is processed successfully, click on the Download button on the top right corner to save your image cutout to your device. And there you have your masterpiece.